hereby move that our party, led by our noble chairman, state chairman, Aaron Chukemeka, and his entire ESCO, I do hereby move that we, as PDP members of Rivers State, we are solidly behind him. And no court, anybody that is used to Port Harcourt, if you are of the Port Harcourt of the 80s, you will remember some shops. We have a shop called Chanalas and Gozu. Those shops that Sim was born into in the 90s, we are not part of those shops these days. Those local court orders, we are not part of it. I cannot be buying a horse. No, be so. And on behalf of ourselves and our spiritual father, our leader, E.M. Wike, Minister of SUT, and you have a move that we as Rivers people, we are suddenly behind our state chairman, Aaron Chukemeka. If you believe in that, power to Nyesom Wike, power to Chukemeka Aaron. I second the motion to back it up. Whatever purported caretaker that ran an election in APP come back to the status in PDP, we say no! No! So I beg you to stay where you are. If you make mistake, come here to the status. We will lead you and teach you where you belong. Is that also? I don't want to agree. PDP.